Today we're talking about your property has recently been placed in a high-risk flood zone. Is that going to increase the flood insurance you currently have in place? So today we're talking about the impact of flood zone changes when it comes to flood insurance pricing. So let's talk about the National Flood Insurance Program first. What we're talking about here is maybe you go from what's called a low risk or minimal risk flood zone. This is like a flood zone X. So maybe you go into a flood zone AE or A. Your property recently placed into that special flood hazard area. You can click below to learn more about that on our website. How is this going to impact pricing for you? Well, with the National Flood Insurance Program, remember, it's not really going to have an impact at all because the National Flood Insurance Program no longer uses these flood zones as pricing. They use different things like distance to water, replacement cost on property, elevation of a property, a few other things as well. What about private flood insurance? Now, some private flood insurance companies do still use flood zones, use in underwriting a risk and determining the premium, but they also use things like distance to water, your overall flood score, what are the chances of your property flooding. So generally, when you get placed into a high-risk flood zone from a low-risk flood zone, you may see minimum impacts when it comes to pricing. But if you have seen a significant increase compared to what you used to have, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com, and 3 simple steps. Step 1, fill out the form on our website. Step 2, receive some customized flood insurance proposals from our team. And step 3, pick the plan that best fits your needs. My name is Chris Green, founder of the Flood Insurance Guru, and I want to say thank you for tuning in to today's video.